What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Lillie Mae, and we are checking in from First Lady 3. And you know, I would be amiss if I didn't acknowledge the beautiful, the wonderful Miss Hoops. Honey, you look fabulous. You look great. Yes. Oh, seriously. What can we expect from you in First Lady 3?
Like, this is a bit of a, how can I say this? The balance comes in where there's a little surprise and a power trip here, and you gotta see if she could get it back, okay?
Okay.
So it's the dynamics are different with the families this time, and so it's a little surprise. You gotta watch.
Well, one thing I want to say is that we are just elated to have you here this evening.
Yeah, happy to be here.
Tell everybody where they can find you on social media, and also anything you have going on in the future, the near future.
Man, I mean, the movies I'm so blessed to it's one thing after the other. What else could I say? I mean, everything is easy. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Real Hoops. With the Z, guys. That's where you can find everything.
The Real Hoops with the Z, and she is magnificent. Hoops, thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
we look forward to what we're going to see in the next hour.
Like
All right.